A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum, all brothers and sisters. So today video is very important video because a lot of member they ask me this question from 1 month, and I have not enough time actually to make this video to explain uh, this line. Enter when cross and retest this level. I think most of members in my group they hate this line because they can't they always ask a question about it, and we have to explain them what is this line. In all of my charts and signals and forecast, I give always this line. This mean obviously how here is enter when cross and retest this level, mean enter when the price cross and retest this level. So first of all, I have to explain why I write this. So the problem is I am not a full-time trader. I have a full-time job. I have another job, and I do trading just part-time, and I have family too, alhamdulillah. I have childs and my wife, and I have to give time also at my home. So the time what I have is very short. All the day I update the charts, I give the signals, I make the analysis on my phone. So many times I am not at the computer when I do these charts, and I am as profession I am a bus driver, and I can't touch the phone when I drive, because when I am at 8 hour on the work, then 8 hour there is not there is no any possibility that I can watch on my telephone. So the analysis and the signals what I send from work is just that small time when I have a break on my work, that 5-10 minutes, many times I have 12 minutes too. So when I have a short time and I can't give you the signals, I cannot give you exact time and price when you have to enter. When I am on the computer and I am full-time trader, then I am a whole day on my computer, and I can send you, see, you can enter now, and then the price goes up. Now what I do when I see a coin move and cross a certain level, then I give signal already. So for example, I explain you here on this chart. See, when the price cross this line, enter in yellow area, that's an area where is a lot of support and resistance. I give the signal. I says this coin now, if it cross the line with a good volume, that mean it jump now, and you can see the price goes up. Retest mean the next candle have to retest this line. What mean this? The next candle must not be closed under this line where I give enter when cross and retest this level. If the price cross and close the candle under this line, that mean that breakout was fake and the price can dump from here. That's why I give this line, and see the price retest this level, retest again, and the next candle, boom, a huge break, a huge jump. Now as you can see, the altcoin depends all on Bitcoin movement. There was a movement, the Bitcoin was down and the altcoin comes down with Bitcoin. That's two huge candles. That's what, because Bitcoin dumped. Then the price goes down, and I say always remember this is 4 hour time frame. Minimum 4 hour time frame must be there, and the price must cross in 4 hour time frame, break and retest. Or you can choose also daily. On daily you can do too, but daily that's mean 1 and 2. See, the daily is simple one. Yeah, but on 4 hour time frame you have to check yourself, because I can't see the charts all the day. And as you know, if you are in my group member, you know I send. Now we have almost 25 to 30 signals opens. So when you have 30 charts to follow, then you can't give a precision, exact time and date when you have to enter. So that's why this most hated line, enter when cross the retest and retest this level. So what is our strategy? Our strategy is, when the price confirm the entry, we enter here, the price jump, and when the price jump after 4 or 5 candle, when the price is up, then you have to move to your stop loss on entry. Now what happened? When the price was here, we move our stop loss on entry. The price comes down, then goes up, and then another dump, and price hit our stop loss, because our stop loss was here. Now the trade is closed. Now what you have to do? You have again to wait. See, the price goes down and then break again, retest again, and this is the third candle, and you have again to move the stop loss on entry. Price goes down, against hit the stop loss, then price goes down and hit the stop loss too. And what has done here, see, our stop loss in crypto, not the other stocks or forex or indices. Just in crypto, the stop loss is valid when a candle close under the stop loss line and retest it. See, here the stop loss is not triggered as my strategy, but you have to put the stop loss here. Even if you open 10 times this trade, as I said before, see, the stop loss here is 4.29%. We take that you open a trade with the $100. Now the stop loss is hitted here, one, two, two, one, two, two time, two, three time, three time, and the third, after third time, it, because the candle was not closed under this line, the stop loss is hitted three time. If we wait for stop loss, we lose 12% of stop loss. Okay, because the stop loss is hitted three time. No, sorry, it's all the wrong thing. If we wait to stop loss, then what is happen? If you open, you don't follow my line, this strategy, you can open the trade and put the stop loss here. It's easy. That's the easy way. But why I give this line? Because I don't want that your trade come down to stop loss, you don't hit the stop loss. But we take that two, you have opened this trade here, and the price goes up and then down, and the stop loss was not confirmed, but you hit the stop loss and you lose 4.29%. $4.29 if you have opened the trade with $100. That's $4.29. Now we open a trade many times here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 times when we open a trade, let's put me the calculator. Just a second. Calculator we have here. Okay. So let's take an example. We hit the stop loss and we open again. That's two trades you open. First, the stop loss is hit and you have paid the fees, but you have lose $4.29, and then you open again the trade. And let's calculate this. We have opened the trade on break even, where we don't lose anything, but we have to pay the 4 times fees. Where is convenient? So on $100, x 0.10% fees is $0.001. That is not even 10 cents. We make it again. Now 0.10. Okay, yeah, sorry. On all exchanges, almost the fees is 0.10%. 0.10% of that amount with that you open a trade. Now we open a trade here, then the second one here, and the third one here, and the fourth one. These four trade cost is just 0.40 cents dollars, 40 cents, even don't not $1. But if you wait that stop loss hitted, then you have to pay 20 cents here, 0.20 cents dollar to open the trade, plus you lose $4.28. See what is the difference? The difference is, if you wait the stop loss hit, you lose the money of that not be always the same. This is 4 points something, but on many trade I have a stop loss on 8%, 10%, 11%, 12%, and you lose that 12%, and you have to open again the trade because the trade is not closed, because the candle has not break the stop loss area and not confirmed, so this trade is still valid. So that's why I say open 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 time, 10 time you can open also a trade. Close, open, close, open, close. Because the entry is very difficult in every trade. If you open the same trade 10 time, you pay just $1 on your $100. But if the stop loss is 4% here and you open 2 time, just you lose $5. So that's why you can save the money, and you have a secure entry too. Now the price, the third time fourth time we open a trade, and now the trade is up, then we move the stop loss and entry, and we are safe. So losing money we don't want. So that's why I don't have so much time that on every trade I alert in group. If I sit on whole day on the computer, I can do that, but I am not whole day on the computer. I have just not so much time that I give all these signals, and I give you can check my Telegram channel. We have request for almost daily 8 to 10 charts, and I have to do that too before I start the video analysis or before I give the signals. So I have to do the analysis. I have no time, and I give the signal when I see the price from here can go up, and the price goes up from here. Even it's make a N wave down, but it goes up. It is bullish. That's why I give the signal. It's still bullish, and I am sure that this trade, if nothing happened on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the main thing. If nothing happened, then the price hit this level. Now we can check in all my trade. I don't open the trade. You say, oh, okay, but we lose the money on also on fees. Check here, 48% profit is here. In this 48%, if you open the trade with $100 and you earn 48, $1 is nothing. You have to do something too. If the trading is so easy that you open and you close and you win, you are not here. Many people they do a lot of struggle to earn money in trading, because this is a easy money. So here the work is the psychological work. We have to check the charts, we have to follow them, and is very easy way, guys. Is very easy way. First thing you have to, when you find a signal, open your trading view. You can register on trading view with our referral link. You can check in our group, and you check here the price 35.91, 0.3591. Then what you do, you open a trading where you draw a line. See this line, but for example we do here. When you have this line, you go in this tool on trading view, and here is the bell. Open this bell, see here, and that's in Italian, but you can see Here is once per minute. Oh, no, that's in English. Once per minute. Check this and create an alert. Now you have to do nothing. Just when the price touch this line, trading will give me an alert. I see alert. Okay, I have the signal here, and I have to enter now. And you have not to sit a whole day on computer, or you have not to watch that trade so many times. Just put this line, just put the alert, and forget this trade. Finish. That's very simple way. So again, I prefer that you use this system because we don't want to lose money. We are here to earn money, and I don't want even to lose this stop loss money. So that's why I prefer to open 10 times the trade, but I don't want that the price goes down and I lose that stop loss money. Then you can say why you give us a stop loss. The stop loss is, we make an example. I give you my example. My example is that I start four years ago in crypto, and I invest the money in the crypto. My portfolio gained almost 3,000% in last bull run. And what has happened? One day we wake up and we watch our wallet, and the wallet was all the way down. I was new in trading, and I don't know that I have to close everything as many members. I wait that the price turn back, and turn back, and the price from 68,000 Bitcoin comes down to 15,000, and I lose all of money, all of what I earned the money, all of money what I have invested, and my portfolio was in minus. Why I give the stop losses? Stop losses is for that situation. If you have earned the money in many trades with me or with other groups, you must have the stop loss. If today they said we can go now in fundamentals. If today SEC announced that they don't approve the ATF, you know what happened then? The same day Bitcoin can dump at least till here. Minimum level is here 30,000. Bitcoin can lose 5,000 in one day, and it can happen. Bitcoin can happen everything. And if Bitcoin lose, this is 13%, the altcoin can lose from 40 to 50%. And we trade altcoins, and we trade the altcoin that not with so big capital. Thus just ADA is with the big capital, but not the other altcoins. So that's why I give the stop losses. If happens something and you are on the bed, you are sleeping, and your trade is open, you have to put the stop loss. And that way, in that situation, you close the trade automatically, and you don't lose all your money what you have gained. That's why I give the stop losses. But I don't follow the stop losses. I open the trade when I am sure that the price crossed that line and now is up. We can have here another example too. By the way, I give that line or I don't give that line. My entry is in same way. The price cross, retest, and then dump. I close in break even again. Price cross, retest, and price goes up. I put the stop loss on break even, and I again close. I close the trade in break even. This is the second time. See, again. Now the third time price cross this level but not retest. See, the next candle is closed under the entry line. I don't open here the trade. I open again here the trade. That's my fourth trade. Price cross, retest, and then fly. The third or fourth time the price must go up. And now alhamdulillah we reached already the end target also. We are 42%. Now you can say, okay, for example, we have opened this trade with $100. I lose first fees, second fees, and third fees, third time. Or you can say also here when we close 4 and here when we go 5. 5 time I pay the fees on $100. That's 50 cents, 0.50 cents. I prefer to pay this 0.50 cent and I open the trade. That's 5 times this trade. But I don't want that the stop loss that is 5%. I don't want to lose $5. I prefer to open 5 times the trade, but I don't want to lose $5. This is my strategy, and that is valid for all my trades in all my signals. Now you can see, oh, I am a newbie and I cannot follow that date. I have not enough time. No problem, bro. If you are newbie and you cannot spend a lot of time on the charts, no problem. You can open the trade here and put the stop loss. And the stop loss hit, you open again the trade when cross this line. That's just 2 times, but you lose 5 plus 2 trades fees, and that is 5.50 cents. Okay, what you earn? You earn $42. In this $42, if you lose $5 too, you are still safe. So that's why I prefer you follow my strategy and open and close trade many times and then go up with signal. But if you don't want to use my strategy, you are still in profit. You don't lose your money. You see, you are not 42%, but you are 37% profit here. Is on sport 37% profit is a lot of profit. And my trades start from 20 till 100% profit. So that's a simple way. Now at the end, I explain again. If you want to follow my strategy, I prefer that I open and close the trade many times, but I don't want to touch the stop loss. I prefer to pay the fees, but I don't prefer to hit the stop loss. But if you want to risk and you want to go till stop loss, or is also okay. You lose that stop loss for 5 or 10 or $12. But at the end, that trade is 40 to 50% profit. And maybe this trade is not successful. We have another one. The other side. Risk and reward ratio upper than 2 is always the good risk and reward ratio. Risk and reward ratio means 7.727% mean. If you risk 100 here, if you risk 5, for example $5, you earn 35, 36%. You earn that amount. You risk $5 here and you earn that $5 seven times, 7.27 times you win that trade. That's a risk and reward ratio. So guys, this is my strategy, and I think I explained this now, and everybody understand what I want to say. And I can give you another example too. For example, we can take any other signal. So we can see here. Here the price goes up. Cake. Yes. No, that's a daily time frame, 4 hour time frame. See, cake. When I give the signal, the cake goes up, but not retested. I don't open here the trade. Cake goes up, cross the line, and then retest. Now on the retest, the next candle is blue, then I open the trade because the second candle was closed upper than my entry level. So now open the trade. Just one time open the trade and the price goes up now. Price is on high 36%. Every trade is so. Every time. And another thing why I don't want that to you open a trade just when price cross the entry. So here is the perfect example. Watch here. 2 days. If you follow my strategy and enter just when the price, see here the price cross and not retested, cross not retested, now goes down, then slowly up, up, cross, but the candle is not closed upper the entry level. Now this candle is closed upper the entry level, the next one is closed upper the entry level, another one, and here I open the trade, and we go up, and we are without any stress in profit and in this trade. But you don't follow my, we take an example, you don't follow my strategy. Now what happened? You open a trade here, now you are 2 days in loss. Price does not hit the stop loss, but you are 2 days in this trade in loss. I said before that the trading is the second name of psychology. Psychology is when you are in loss 2 days, you are stressed, you are bored, you are your nerve are at the limit. You say, "Oh, I am on the bad signal. I buy the bad coin." Or many times our friends, we don't promote the future or margin trading. Here they are under the water, and they don't know, they lose a lot of capital, and that make you stress. 2 days you are under stress, and third day maybe you close here. I am sure that when the price goes down and you are in loss here, this is 4%, almost 4% your capital. When the price goes back and come to break even, you are so much stressed that you close your trade because you are break even. Oh, I recover my money and now I am out. And what happened then? Exactly when you are out of from trade, the coin goes up, and then you see, oh no, now I was in out from that trade when it goes up, and you lose all the profit. So that's why, guys, I prefer to focus on entry. Enter 10 time, no problem, but enter on the exact moment when you are sure the price can go up. Make a training, open and close, open and close, open and close 10 times that trade, no problem. But open and close just there where the price can fly up. And now see here we have 15.58%. Now when the price goes up, you put the stop loss on entry level, and you can relax, you can leave this trade, you are not more worried about this trade, because this trade you wait just now to hit the take profit, and otherwise we are easy. So this is my strategy. I want to explain this. Please watch again and watch again this video, and I think you can understand what I want to explain. When I become a full-time trader, then I can give you exactly moment and exactly time and exactly level where you have to enter, but at the moment it is impossible. So this is all the explanation, and hope you understand that. And soon I make this video in Urdu too, in my mother language, and but at the moment I think is enough in English. I think everybody understand in our group English. So I hope everybody is understand what I want to say, and in future you don't ask the same question, because a lot of members ask us this question, and we have replied a lot of time. So this video can help you. So today video I do later, and till the next video I wish you very good day, and have a good day, and we see again in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.